It's time to go turkey hunting. The Joe Zimmerman way.
I'm following him.
I'll beat you to the bridge.
All right. All right.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Nah, we're not going fishing. Joe is taking Tom and Bernie from Nevada on a special turkey hunting safari. In a boat. Welcome to southern Wisconsin. Today's hunt takes us up the mighty Pecatonica River. My name's Dave. I'm the cameraman. If any of this monkey cam action makes you nauseous, I'm the one at fault. We begin today's hunt in a small timber known to us as Myers Ditch. Joe has killed turkeys here before. We ought to be able to bag ourselves a tom and be home in time for a late breakfast. Turkeys make up for their stupidity with good hearing and exceptional eyesight, so it's important to be well camouflaged and remain concealed. For the unfamiliar, Joe is attempting to woo in a male turkey with cries of love. If there's a tom in the area, we should be hearing a responsive gobble any second now. Well, our passive luring technique has failed, so now we shall take a more active approach to the hunt. We're going on a turkey drive. More specifically, Joe and I will attempt to chase turkeys through the woods to Tom and Bernie. There's Joe pushing through the woods now. And there he is turning around and searching out the path of least resistance. Well, I dive in. You pick up an amazing array of birds in these woods, but I suppose it just enhances your camouflage. The turkey drive was also a failure. We returned to the boat.
You see that Tom?
Yeah, right there he is, Tom.
Well, your tail.
Yeah.
Let's go upriver and try something else.
Let's go to where you know him by name.
I don't name my turkeys.
Okay.
Like
You name your cows.
yeah.
See all the cow names in there?
A person with a decent arm can chuck a rock across the Pecatonica River, and a person with an amount of skill and knowledge can navigate miles of this river while only occasionally striking submerged trees. Myers Ditch was a bust, so we move upriver to another proven location, a steep ridge that levels out the fields of set aside. Once again, we go into stakeout mode and attempt to lure in and unsuspecting Tom with continuous chants of passion. When a Tom answers, it's exciting. The vocal dance between hunter and hunted melts away the time. When your call is rewarded with silence, time drags, and it gets really, really boring. "30 minutes and still no sign of a turkey. I begin to get fidgety. Bad form for a cameraman, I know. Look, it's me.
Oh, yeah, they're here. It's not playing. We're gonna go kill one now, Tom. We're done pissing off these sons of bitchin' turkeys. I think I put you through enough hell. Just a little bit more to it.
Back on the river, we proceed to yet another promising location.
Bernie and Tom are gonna go in there and blast ourselves some turkeys. They're gonna show us how it's done. And right up here in this tree.
For our final hunt of the day, we will spook hunt the big woods. We call it a spook hunt because we don't technically have permission to be here. However, nobody ever told us we couldn't hunt. Anyway, this hunt will be another drive. Again, Tom and Bernie are staked out, and Joe and I will circle around and bring the turkeys right to them. Piece of cake. I'd like to point out that I am not entirely familiar with the big woods, but I have a fairly good sense of direction. Where am I? Crap, there's a river down there. This isn't where I want to be at all. In the end, I circled all the way around the hunters and came in from the opposite direction as what I should have. Even so, not a turkey was stirred. Dejected, the hunters head back to the boat to return to dock.
Oh, I'm mallard sitting there. That's a pretty one.
Oh, I didn't take him out.
Oh. There, another good thing. Another good fish of the day.
Beats the day of work.
I can walk here. All things is better than.
At the end of the day, we neither saw nor heard turkey. And so Joe and Tom and Bernie call it a day. There's always tomorrow.